What's up, guys? Welcome to my daily routine. Let's go. My master saw this kid walking nearby beach, so we decided to feed this bad boy. Whoops, there's incoming car. We don't want to get crushed by this. Alright, we saw him on this pot. He ain't here. Let's go check other side.
Cat on sight. Target locked.
There he go. Let's follow him. Ming Ming, where are you? I got you treats. He ain't coming. Let's go check on him there. Why run? I just want to feed you, Ming.
You got me.
Don't hide there. My master is seeing you. We can do this all day, ha ha ha.
Damn, you look weird as hell. I'm not sure if you Sir R.C.
I get it, let me come closer, all right.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Poor cat's so afraid of me, ha ha ha. He go this way. Let's chase him. Whoops, he crossed the road. I ain't giving up on this cat. My master called him, so we have to do plan B. All right, now you eat that treats, yeah.
My bad about earlier, Sir R.C. I'm just really confused, you feel me? I was just walking near the beach trying to search for food, and suddenly you appear out of nowhere.
It's all good, Ming. The other cats felt the same before.
Oh, really? Anyway, now, I know your purpose. I tap with you for real.
Oh yeah, silly Ming, ha ha ha.
Could you please like the video and subscribe to my channel? It's a big support to my content. Thank you.
I'm done eating, Sir R.C. Thank you for your service.